Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to use lightning effects in Capcut. The process is simple. The first thing is open your Capcut application, and after it opens before going any further, let me explain a simple thing. If you want to use the lightning effects in Capcut, then make sure you have signed in your Google account or any other account in the Capcut application. And you can see on the right top of this pop-up, I have signed in my account in the Capcut because some lightning effects are paid, and without signing in the Google account or any of other account, you cannot use all the lightning effects. So first, make sure you have signed in your account, and after it, open that project in which you want to use the lightning effects. Here you can see I opened this project, and I will use the lightning effects. So take a look on the left top. You will see few options: media, audio, text, stickers, and effects from this tap on the option effects. And here are all the effects. And on the top line, you can see the lightning effects. I can use it, but if you don't like, then you can search for your desired effect. In the search bar, you have the write-only lightning, and search for it. And you can see here are all the available effects of Capcut. So from here, you have to apply that which you like the most. Just for showing you, I will use this one. So tap on it and drag it, and paste it on the video. Now, the effect has been applied. Let me play the video and have a final look. And it looks good. You can also adjust the speed of it and the atmosphere of the lightning effect. By swapping these lines, you can adjust it by yourself. And it was the primary way by which you can use lightning effects in Capcut.